How to put big follow button on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now click on these three bars given at the top right corner. With that, you will land to the settings and activity page. Now scroll down. Over here, you will find different options. Click on the option of account type in tools. Click on switch to professional account. Click on continue for all these options. Now select the category that describes you the best and then click on done. In order to get big follow button on Instagram, you will need to switch to business. So go ahead and click on the option of business. Click on next. Now you can fill this, provide your contact information and then click on next. Now you can go ahead and complete these steps. And with that, you have just switched your Instagram account to the professional account. Once you switch your account to the business account, now click on edit profile. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Along with different options, you will find the option of action over here. Go ahead and click on that option. And with that, you will be able to select big follow button on Instagram. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can put big follow button on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.